Yeah, thank you. So thank you for joining everyone. Like in our class, right? Actually, I will give for the training performance testing. So in the performance testing, we have the tools in the market, load runner, JMeter, Neoload. So in our training, I will provide from the load runner and JMeter both. Okay. So perform testing, like we'll give from the load runner tool and JMeter. Okay. So first we'll start from the load runner. Once load runner is completed, everything, then we can move to the JMeter. So before that, so we can just discuss for today as a demo only. Okay, it's not a regular class. Okay, so what is perform testing? Why we need to do for the perform testing? That is important, right? So for example, Facebook application will be there. Facebook is everyone will be know, right? Facebook. Everyone will be know. Hello. Please
Yes,
respond. Sir. Yeah. So everyone will be know Facebook. So what will happen means, so every day to day, number of user will be more users accessing for the Facebook application. Okay, because this is a very good application like charting point of view, or you can upload video or download video or anything point of view. It is a good application. That is what will happen means day to day users are increasing and means they are sign up for their application, and after that they are doing from the some charting whatever maybe they are doing means day to day increasing from the users. So what will happen means you are not done the performance testing. So maybe tomorrow your application will be, for example, today is 100 users only there. Maybe tomorrow you are observed, tomorrow could be like 500 users there. So, but your application capacity only 100 users. Then what will happen? So application will be slow, otherwise application will be crash. See, we have the one box will be there. For example, we are putting from the some rice in that box. So maximum rice we are put it. But we have the 100 only capacity that box. For example, 100 grams or whatever maybe. But what we are doing is we are doing from the 500 grams. What will happen? The box will be not sufficient for the that much of rice. So that is why the box will be break. It is happen. So this kind of same way performance testing also if you not done, your application will be cross. Your application will be closed, and your application is very slow. It is happen. So that is why nowadays not only Facebook, every web application nothing but Facebook, Instagram, banking application, insurance application, healthcare application. These all application as a customers are using. See, banking application will be there. We have everyone have the net banking. So that is also number of users accessing their application will be so. So this point of view mainly, so we need to perform the perform testing. Then only, okay, this 500 user access also your application will be good. You need to certify. That is your job. So how do we can do the perform testing means using for the our tools load runner and JMeter. Load runner is one of the tool and JMeter also one of the tool, and we have the remaining also market. We have the some Neoload also we have one tool, and like that we have the different tools all will be there. But maximum using from the these two tool only in market. So that is why you are good from the any one of the tool load runner or JMeter. You are will be get the job easy way. Okay. So now first thing we can observe one application. So this is the some application. So what is this application means? We need to book the some pet nothing but some fishes or dogs or cats you need to book. So this application we need to test means first will be you need to know the okay, this is the Store application. After that we need to perform the login. So you need to enter from the details, username, password. Okay, and click on login button. So click on OK. And after that, you can select from the any one of the pet. For example, you are selecting from the fish. In that fish, we have the different type of product size will be there. You can observe we have the goldfish and tiger shark, and we have the different will be there. So based on that, you can select from the any one of the product. And after that, your selected product, you need to add the cart, because you need to buy the means you need to add the cart first will. So it is asking from the quantity, like how many you want, like one quantity or two, it is asking, like it's kg or whatever maybe can assume. So it is asking from the quantity. If you want two means you can give from the two and click from the proceed to checkout. And you can observe this is the payment details. So you want to book this some pet means we need to provide from the payment details, like you need to provide from the credit card details, is some Visa, Master, whatever maybe, and give from the credit card number and expire date and first name, last name you can give and click on continue. See, please confirm the information below and then press continue. It is coming. So these details is fine. Just click for the confirm. See, you can observe here. Thank you. Your order has been submitted. So means your order is done from the this. So that is the your you need to do for the these steps. Same like for example, Facebook will be there. Example, same thing we can discuss from the Facebook. So Facebook, what things we can do? What we can do? We can launch URL, right? Launch URL. And next, login. Without login, we can go to the application. No, right? You should be login with your username, password. And after that, charting also you are doing. And next step, what you can do, upload video. Download video. Okay. And sixth step, upload, download. And after that, if you want anything like post to add post. Okay. And for an example, after that, log out. So these are the steps you need to perform. So means you need to open the Facebook application, login, and after that you can do from the any one of the chatting, and you can upload the any video or you can download the video and add post and log out. So this is the your like Facebook application business flow. So this application like you can do means we can same way now we did from the what application? Store application. Store application. So Store application also what we did, we are launch the URL, launch URL, and second step what we did, login, and third step what we did, and like see launch login. So for this application I am explaining. So after that login is completed, you need to select from the pet. Same thing you can give from the select pet. And after that, what we did in that pet, we have the different products. Select product. After that, what we did, add to cart. And after that, sixth step, payment. Okay. Payment is completed. Just you need to confirm the payment details. Confirm. And next step will be logout. So these steps we need to perform the testing. Okay. Now using for our load runner tool, we can start from the this store and these things. So how to we can do means how you are doing here, right? You can click on login and after that click on fish, and after the same way when you are doing from the using our tool also we can do for the same way you can do. So now going to the load runner, we have the different components in the load runner. So what are the components? Nothing but, so if you install software, you can observe the virtual user generator. Everyone able to see cursor? Virtual user generator, controller, and analysis. So virtual user generator, these are the components from the load runner. So virtual user generator, controller, and analysis. What is the virtual user generator means? Just you want to record the script point of view, you can use from the virtual user generator. So once you can open this, right, you can open the virtual user generator. Just you can click on this. See, this is the virtual user generator. So here we no need to write from the any code, anything. Just you can record the business flow. Like what we discussed, right? This same thing you can do from the front end, and back end automatically it will execute. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, hello. So now what we can do means we are already open this virtual user generator. Once open the virtual user generator, it will be look like this. Just we can click on a new script. Okay, we can give from the script name. What we are doing from the Pestore application. Just you can give from the Pestore application and give the date. Today date we can give. Okay, what is the today date? 06/11/2023. Just I given script name. Click on create button. Okay. So now you need to once create the button, you are able to see this screen. For here, what you need to do is just click for the record button. No need to write any code, anything. Just click from the record button. So here record button, it is here application. It is showing application nothing but it is which browser you want to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. You need to select from the any one of this. And after that, here is the important URL. URL nothing but you need to give from the this URL. This is the URL. So this URL you can copy and paste from the here. Okay. After that, we need to just click from the start record button. So before click on start record button, we have some recording options will be there. So just we need to check that Okay. 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 Now just okay. Now just click for the start record button. Just you can give from the select browser, and after that some URL you can give. See, for example, which application you are testing, you can give that. For example, you are testing Facebook application, you need to provide from the www.facebook. You are doing for the Instagram application, www.instagram. So now we are doing from the Play Store application. That is why I given this. Now you can go to here, click on start recording. Just click from the start recording, click on OK. Then what will happen is, which browser you are open, right? Which browser we are open? Google Chrome. Automatically it is opening. It is automatically it is opening. No need to open anything manually. It is automatically it will open this browser. And what is our business flow? That business flow it will be open. Like Play Store application will be open. For example, you are doing from the Facebook also, you can give there, and it will Facebook application will be, it will be come. So miss, that is depends on the your application, right? You need to give from the like see, now you can observe. See this URL we are doing from the front end application only, but automatically it will be record is going. You can observe recording events. It is means your script is recording. Next, what we can do? Just click on the sign in. Okay, so sign in. So you need to give from the like username, and again password. Click on login button. So now see, login is completed. After login, what we can do? Already we know the steps because we already written, right? You know the steps. What we need to do? You need to click from the any one of this. You can click for the fish or whatever, maybe you can click from the any one of the pet. And after that, you can select from the any one of the product and add to cart and proceed to checkout, and click from the proceed to checkout. And after that, you should be like give from the payment details, and after that continue. And finally will be you need to confirm details, like these are the details. So just confirm. So now thank you for your order been submitted. So means we are pet is book is completed. You need to sign out your step. So this is the now we are recorded. Just you can observe here. You can stop recording means you can just click from the this button, stop record button. Then what will happen, right? The code will be automatically it will return from the our tool, load runner tool. It will be automatically it will return. Now you can observe this is the some recording report. We can observe here like some here domain will be there. Domain nothing but what is the our URL. You can observe here our URL will be pestorartperf.com. Only we need from the that URL. Because no need from the this Google Maps. You can remove this, and google.com also we don't need. You can remove, and this artperf is the our URL. So we need that. So you can keep it, and this is also not ours. You can remove, and this is also go to it's not ours. So only we can keep from the our URL. What is that URL? How many requests are it is generated? 13. So after that, you can just click from the regenerate button. Now code will be generating. Only our URL code only it will display. You can go here now. So it is a so starting when we are before recording, this is the empty, right? Now it is came from the line. See, this code is generated. No, you are not written anything. Just this is the launch one, launch URL. And after that, we are provided from the username password. See, username and password means it's a login section. This is the login section recorded. After login, what we did, we are click from the some pet. After that, you are selected product, and After that, you can observe add to cart. You are added from the cart and proceed to checkout. You did. Proceed to checkout. You did. And after that, order confirmation. Like you need to provide it from the details, card type, credit card details, expire date. So means front end what will be there, everything. See, final will be you are click for the confirm button. So that is why this is the confirm code. And after that, you can observe this is the sign out to. So you are not written anything. So it is automatically the code will be generated. So just what we can do means we can give from the some names. For example, this is the launch, right? You can give from the this transactions. We have the transactions will be there. Surround with the transaction and give from the launch URL. Just launch URL. You can click on OK. See, the last transaction launch means the code launch code is started from here and ended from the here. And same thing we can provide from the sign in also. So you can select from the up to sign in. Okay, and after that you can right button click and surround with the transaction. This is the login, right? You can give from the login. So after login, what we did? Okay, this everything will be login part. Up to this is the login. You can observe up to this is the login. And after that, this is the what we did. We are selected from the some product or pet. You can same thing you can give. Just surround with the transaction. Click on pet. After click on pet, what we did? We are selected from the product. Product nothing but we have the different fishes will be there. You are selected product. So here also we can give from the surround with the transaction and give from the select product. Select fish product. We are doing from the fish, right? Fish product. Click on OK. And after that, add to cart. Same thing, just we can select this and around with the transactions surround. Now what is that? Add to cart. Okay, and next what we did, proceed to checkout. And this all things we cannot give it as a like payment section. We'll give from the transaction name payment section, like surround with the transaction and give from the payment. And after payment is completed, so what we did, sign out only we did, right? You click from the confirm button and confirm also you can give from the surround with the transaction. I will explain what is the transaction also after this completed. So confirm. Now final step will be sign out. See, now we are done all things. Now you can observe this is the launch URL. Here started here. It is a ended start transaction, LR start transaction, LR end transaction, launch ended. After launch, what we did? Login. See, this is the login code. Login started here and login ended from the after login is completed. See, username password also login, right? It is ended from the here login. And after that, you can observe, click on pet code is started and it is ended from the here. And again, select product. We are selected from the different products. Okay. And after that, we are add to cart. Like we are click from the add to cart and you are provided from the payment details. After that, we are provided from the payment details. See, these are the payment details. And after payment in completed means what is the next step? You need to just confirm that payment details, like what are the credit card, everything is correct or not. You should be check it and after that click from the confirm button. So that is why it is confirm started and final will be log out. See, sign out. So you need to record it and after that just what you can do means just you can execute this one time, then we need to know from the why we are given from the surrounded with the transactions. Okay. So now just you can come to the action. This is the replay button. Replay nothing but is execution. Just click this. Just we are executing our script. So just we are not done any manually. Okay. Everything is a tool only. It is recorded. See, now you can observe right hand side. Initializing means launching. And after that login and click on pet and payment confirm is done. See, same way it is executed from your script. See, your script will be pass. Now we can check from here your script is pass. Here you can observe what is the name you are given, launch URL, login, click on pet, select fish product, add to cart, payment, confirm, sign out. So these all details we are able to see here. You can observe. So now you can observe why I given this start transaction, end transaction means for this code, how much time it is happening. I want to know means we need to give from the start transaction, end transaction. Why? Because as a performance testing, so when you are doing from the performance testing, any tool, okay, any tool when you are doing performance testing, like each and every step. For example, you are executing 100 users. So 100 users, what is the time it is happening from the launch URL? What is the time happening from the login? What is the select pet happening? So you can observe here. All details we are seeing the record like replay summary. You can observe launch is the one nothing but one user. It is how much time it is happened. This is the hours, minutes, and milliseconds. Means 1 minute 637 milliseconds happen from the launch URL one user. Login is you can observe 1 minute 340 milliseconds. And click on pet, you can observe 385 milliseconds. So these timings are very important as a performance testing point of view. Actually, client is given 100 users. 100 users, if you execute also, response time, like, so this is the response time. We can call it as a response time. This is the 2 minutes. It is they will be not accept. So you need to observe that each and every transaction, 100 users, it is a more than 2 seconds or not, you need to observe. For here, you can observe more than 2 seconds. No, right? So means this is the way we are giving from the start and transaction. Majorly why we are giving means we need to this particular sign out code, how much it is happened. This particular launch code, you can observe this is the launch starting here up to this. If it is a launch, how much time it is happened. See, for example, if you go application, you are giving from the like URL, right? Just click on enter. So up to login launch, how much time happened. After that, you are click from the sign in, and after that, give from the username password and click on login button. How much it is happened, you need to give from these details. Okay, so this is the only very important for us. It's clear, everyone? So anyone any doubts regarding this? Hello?
Yeah, no doubts.
No, sir.
I think yeah, if anyone have any like if you not understand or anything, right, you can ask me. Okay, this is just a friendly class. Okay, not only just to, okay. If you don't fear anything or you are unable to speak English, you can talk Telugu also, no problem. Okay, but you should be understand. Really, if you don't understand, you can tell me. Actually, I miss this. I want this because. So everyday class is going, you are not learning anything. That is not good for you and me. Okay.
చాలా క్లియర్ గా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్, నీట్ గా.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So like we need to do from the like this, and after that, this is the first component. This is the virtual user generator. What we did, just we are recorded. Now what you need to do is again go to the one more component. This is the controller. Everyone able to see controller? So just open that.
Yeah.
Means just I'm explaining from the end-to-end testing. After script is completed now, next we are going to the load runner controller. What is this controller means? Load runner, what we did, only one user point of view you are executed here. You can observe. You can go to the replay summary. Okay, you can go to the replay summary. We are executed only one time. But actually performance testing means we need to execute from the number of users. So once you can open this controller, right? We are able to see this. Now these are the load runner scripts. Like what are the scripts you are completed? All scripts will be displayed here. Now we are did from the test store and today date. What is this? You can observe. This is our script. Just now we are created. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
06
Yes.
level 12. Just
Yes, sir.
you can add this. What is the our current script? You can check that. Can click on add. It is added here. And after that, click on OK. So once you can click on OK, this is the script name. This is the script path, nothing but in your system where it is saved here. And now its quantity you can observe one user only it is showing now. As of now, one user it's showing. So this is the we have the design tab, run tab will be there. Design nothing but how many users you want to execute the test. That is the you need to design. And run tab means just click from the start scenario means execution will be start. So now we need to give from the number of user you can increase means click on the start user. You can give from the here 10 users. Okay. You can give from the 10 users. And now this is the duration, nothing but how much duration you want to execute the test. So just 1 minute only I am executing now. Okay. And we can give from the stop condition also. And click on OK. Now you can observe here how many users you are able to see. 10 users. So if this class is disconnected, right? Rejoin again because our Zoom only it is accepted 45 minutes. Okay. First day class, right? We are actually sometime it is happen because everyone is joining or not. That is point of view. So if it is disconnected, rejoin again. Same link. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can observe I am executing from the 10 users. You want how many users you can add here? You want 100 means you can give from the 100 also you can give. See, you can click on OK. You are able to see the here 100 users. Means this script you are executing with the 100 users. So now we'll give from the only 10 users all will give now as of now just execution point of view. And after that, go to the run tab and just click from the start scenario. Your execution will be start. You can observe 10 users and one user is came running state, 2 users. And now you can open this. Click on show user. 5 users, 5 browsers will be open. Now you can observe. See, it is executing from the like this. See, is the 10 users running. So they are doing from the like this transaction from the how much your duration you are given, that many times it will execute. You can observe here, we are able. So now we can observe all execution is completed. We can observe here. Someone is joining. Okay. Yeah. So everyone is joined, right? Someone. Babu Nagaraju. Okay. So now again we'll do for the execution. Already that is completed, right? Just again I'm explaining. So just we are executing 10 users. So just I given 10 users here. Here just I am executing from the duration. Now we'll increase from the duration somewhat because now we have time, right? 3 minutes will give and can give this. So for here you can observe this is the duration. Nothing but is your execution will be 3 minutes. It will execute. Now you can come to the run tab and just click from the start scenario. And it is asking just yes. Now before that, right, what we can do is 1 minute. Okay. Here you can observe all 10 users will be down status. We are did from the this script just now. That script we are how many users we are executing? 10 users. So 10 users down status nothing but there is not a like a launch also not completed. When you are click on start scenario, so one user will be launch that and again everyone is doing from the their transaction launch login they are doing. So now you can click on yes. Now you can okay. Now you can observe here. It is starting from the your execution. See now you can observe one user coming in and all users running. Now 3 users. If you want to see the how they are doing this, you can observe here. See you can observe. We can see the windows also. Okay. 10 how many users will be there, that many browsers will open. So because why it is happening this way means if you are really Facebook we are doing, so you are doing from the your credentials, you can doing from the different things. In my credential I will log in and I will do from the my things. Same way when you are executing this, right, all users also you need to perform the like this. They are doing from the launch login logout. Again, they are doing login, logout. Up to 3 minutes of duration. How many users you are given? So 10 browsers will open like this. 10 browsers will open. See, this all will be. So backend, it will execute from the like this. See, backend will execute like this. Now I close this. Means all 10 users will be execute from the these 3 minutes of duration one by one again and again and then they will do. Then only we know the like you can observe here. Now come to here. Running users means all 10 users will running. Elapsed time nothing but test execution. As of now, 1 minute 40 seconds. Test is completed. And pass transaction. Pass transaction nothing but what is the pass transaction means launch login this right. That is we can call it as a transaction. So means all transaction will be it is passing or any fail also it will be there. It will let you know from here. Errors also we can observe here. So just you need to understand that okay we are getting any errors or not. You need to understand just this is the execution. Where we are doing execution controller. That is why what is the controller? Nothing but we can design the scenario and execute from the okay execute from the user point of view. We are using for the controller. See now still it is a users will be doing like this. So we are seen right. Just you can click on show user means they are doing from the like that launch login click on flight again sorry click on from the pet and select pet payment logout again again. So every user will be these 3 minutes duration they are doing from the that way they will do from that way. Okay. So see now test is executing. So that is why 3 user will be executing state 4 and for all users will be 1 by 1 user will be stopping. 5 users stopped now and now only 3 users will be there here and again 2 users only will be there and finally 8 users stop. Finally 10 users stop means your execution will completed. So total 3 minutes 40 seconds, your execution is completed. So once execution is completed, mainly what is our job means, you need to find the like each and every transaction. Transaction nothing but already I told, right? So these are the steps. We can call it as a launch is one transaction, login is one transaction. So now 10 users you are executed. Like each and every transaction, how much time it is happen. That is we need to identify. So that where we need to identify means we have the one more component is the analysis. What is the analysis means? We can analyze the results to find out from the issues or we are good from the results or not. We need to analyze the using for the analysis one more component. So now we have the directory also will be there. Click on results. You can click on analyze results. So current test results will be open in the which component? Analysis tool. So now you can observe, see load runner analysis. So what test we are did, that test results will be, we are able to see from the results now. So now you can observe just summary report nothing but results. So just you are executed from the this date and you are started from the 8:45. Okay, I can click on yes. Results will be full load. So now again we'll observe this is the execution. You are started from here. Total how much duration you are executed? 3 minutes 40 seconds. Now come to here. So major thing is this part is very important for us. Like first transaction what? Launch transaction. So we need to concentrate from the average. Means 10 users average time is a 1.177 millisecond happen from the 10 users average time. Launch. Login is you can observe 0.935 milliseconds. And after login, what we did, click on pet 0.328 average time from the, this is not single user. So you can observe here how many users also we can observe here. Maximum users, 10 users you are executed. So each and every transaction, like these are the transaction, this is the time. We can call it as a response time. So any one of the transaction, it is a more than 2 seconds or not, you need to identify. You can observe 10 users average response time, any one of the transaction more than 2 seconds. We can observe also launch, login, click on pet and select product. You can observe 0.18 only. After that, what we did, add to cart 0.178. After that, what we did, after payment details 0.513, it is completed from the 10 users average response time, and after that log out. So we can do from the like, okay, just you need to find this. If it is the, for example, this payment, it is happen from the, for example, go to the notepad. So okay, this thing happen from the some 0.30, 2.30 happen. Actually, our client actually within 2 seconds is our SLA. SLA nothing but they are expecting from the response time when you are executing from the 10 users, it is not crossed from the more than 2 seconds. But you are observed that some not this right payment. So, okay, for example, just I'm giving from the example, payment is happen from the 2.30 second. So client will be not accept your results. Actually, my response time will be 2 seconds. But you are getting from the 2.30 seconds. It is a more than 2 seconds. So client will be not accept. Client will be not accept. Then what else we need to do? So why this payment? This 30-second, why it is happen more time? We need to find the issue. Why it is happen? So many reasons will be there. One is for the CPU and memory. CPU memory means, for example, you can go here. We have the task manager performance. CPU you can observe it is a 47, 44. So if you are not executing also, how much it is occupying more than 46, it is coming. Memory also already 59, it is occupied. When you are doing for the test, so this CPU is went from the 100%. Memory also went 100%. So you are observe that your response time will be more than 2 seconds. Means what is happen? This 10 user point of view, what is the CPU, what is the memory is there, that is not sufficient from the this 10 users. So what we need to do is we have the team will be there, particular team. So just you need to write the mail. So we are executed 10 users. One transaction time is more than 2 seconds. We are observed CPU memory is more than 100%. Because of that, response time will be high. So could you please increase from the CPU memory? Maybe it is the 4 GB will be there, they will increase 8 GB. Maybe this is the some 64 GB will be there, they will increase from the 128. Again, you can do the test, and after that, you can observe that your response time will be this. Your response time will be this. Then this is the more than 2 seconds or less than? Less than, right? So client will be accept. Okay, results will be good. So you need to just send this report. So just you can copy these results. So we can copy this results and we'll open an Excel.
సార్ మెమరీ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసినాక టెస్ట్
Yeah.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి సార్ మళ్ళీ?
Again same process. Okay, no need to anything you are doing from here, right? Already design is completed, same users. Now what you can do after memory increases, you can start scenario again.
ఓకే సార్.
Got it, right? Just you can click this again, you can execute. After that, again results analysis can come here, and you can observe from the this average time payment. Okay, last time 2.30. Now how much you can observe? Okay, 0.513. Now test is good. Just these results you can send to the team. Then your job will be done. This is the end-to-end testing you need to do from the, as a performance test engineer means you need to perform these steps. Then your job will be done. Got it?
ఎస్ సార్.
So results also will save this. Okay. Excel will open any one of this. Okay. So now you can observe, we can prepare the report like this. Just not this, will open new one. Okay. So now you can observe, just I copied, right? You can paste it here. Okay. Control Z. Again, we'll copy with the names also. Above also we have the, this details will be there, right? Like transaction name. This is also we need. So just copy this also. Now just you can select this, Control C, and come here in Excel sheet, Control V. See, now you can observe our results will be came. Now you can observe, just will change from the format. Now see, now we need from the only our transactions only, right? Just you can remove from the start transaction. This will be no need because this is not ours. Again, action also, this is also no need for us. Okay, we remove. Now you can first transaction what what is the first transaction? You need to give from that results from we need to like form a correct format, like control X launch first one. So you can give from the launch, and after launch what? Login. So just you can cut this and login. And after login, what is the next step? What is the next step? Launch login. So just we are arranging from the format. Login, after that we are click from the pet. So this is the click on pet. Control X and click on pet. Okay, and click on pet. After that, what is that? Select product, right? So means stepwise we are arranging, because someone see also it is a look will good. Okay, you will not given for this way. What will happen is, what is this? They will ask. So after that, what we did, add to cart. After add to cart, you need to give from the payment details. Okay, this is the confirm. Under X. So you can observe, you need to provide like this. Okay, and just you can provide from the one more column SLA. SLA nothing but what? Our client is given from the 2 seconds from the each and every transaction. Just to give from the each and every transaction 2 seconds. Okay, now we need to concentrate from the average. So you can observe each and every transaction 2 seconds. Then you can just highlight it here. Green color means it is indicated that it is a good, results will be good. Then client will be okay, results is a good. They will be easily know for that, because client don't want from the all details. He need from the okay, everything is green. Okay, results will be good. For example, this will be happen from the some 3.0. Actual client is expecting 2 seconds, but this is happen 3. Then just we need to highlight from the this red color. Then client will be easy know, okay, payment it is taking more response time. So please identify the issue and you need to re-execute from the one more time. And after like payment is less than 2 seconds, then we need to send the report. So this is the way we can do for the our end-to-end testing. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Everyone good? Yeah. Pavan, Nagaraj,
Yeah, okay. No doubt.
Yeah, okay, sir. Clear.
clear, right?
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
so
clear.
this is just a demo class I explained from the end to end. Like first what we did, just we are recorded script. What is the script you are recorded? We are pushing the controller like number of user point of view. Because scripting means only one user point of view can do. But as a performance testing, we need to do from the multiple user point of view. So multiple user point of view, we are using from the controller. Once this controller multiple user your execution is completed, using for the analysis, we are analyzing the results like each and every transaction as per our response time. SLA, we are done or not, you need to observe. Then just you can prepare for the simple report and you can send to the client. Then your job will be done. So real time, this is the very real time, because as a perform testing, there is a one of the important thing what it means. Everything will be class real time only we can. Really, when I am going to the office right tomorrow, same thing I can do. Like I can record, recording is completed, I can execute, and after that I will analyze. If it is a good, then I will send. If it is not good, what is the issue I can identify? Again, I can re-execute, and after test is good, then I will send. See, last 10 years onwards, I'm doing from the same work. But you can go to the other technologies, Java, .NET, or automation testing. What you are learning is different. Once we can went from the project, that is a entire different. So if you got job, you can easily get in. Once daily you can practice, as what I had told, right? Today class completed, you can practice. Tomorrow class completed, you can practice. You can practice, and as same to the, I will ask for the everyday interview questions also. You guys can follow me, you can easily get from the job. So I'm stopping from the today class up to this. Like, you have any doubts, right?